I'm going to trim some carpet here. I don't have much to do. Let's see, this little bit right in there. Here's some more, there's some more. Here's a little bit more right there. There's a little piece. How am I going to get that? I could get a regular, here's something around the edge here. I can't really get this with the regular pair of scissors because the tip isn't pointy enough. And here's some more. Look at this. There's a piece, there's a piece, and there's a piece. And the last thing you want to do is try to pull that out or take a pair of pliers and wrench it out. Or say, I'll get that out, and you jerk it, because most carpet have an action back on the back side of the carpet. You pull this up and this will go bzzzt, and you'll think, uh-oh, I just wrecked my carpet. And I had a piece of that happen downstairs, a little piece. And here's another thing that happens. If you have little pieces like this, depending where they are and whether or not your vacuum is going to suck that in, your vacuum could suck that in, and your vacuum is going so fast and stuff, it could possibly pull that up and make a line across there. And that's what happened downstairs. Mommy was vacuuming one day, and before she realized it, it came out to about yay far, and she was mortified. Here's another piece. I went down there and I thought, oh my gosh, how am I going to fix that? And I fixed it. I took the whole thing and I took super glue, crazy glue, and I put a little bit, I spread it apart, and these things go up and down, up and down, up and down, and you'll see where the bottom piece needs to fit. And I would glue that down, and I do a couple little pieces at a time and do it, and then move on, do it, move on, do it, move on. It took me, I don't know, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. It looks, actually, it turned out pretty good. But I want to prevent that from up here. And this carpet is about, I don't know, 17 years old. It's still in pretty good shape, don't you think? We're not going to replace it just yet. And every once in a while I have to get my carpet cleaner out. Right in here and right in this section here. See, here's a few little marks here and there, usually around the sink area. And I'll get my Hoover carpet cleaner out, and I'll run that along there. And when I get it, I do this little section. There's not a whole lot of places in the house where the carpet gets dirty, and so I do that and keep it nice and clean. That way I don't have to keep calling a carpet cleaner out here. You buy your own carpet cleaner and use it a couple times, and everything after that is free if you were to have called somebody. Okay, so enough of that. I'm going to just take my carpet scissors, and here's what carpet scissors look like. Look at that. See there? Goes all the way to this little point, and this thing is sharp. I've had these for, I don't know, maybe 10 years or so, and I keep them. I try to be careful with them as best I can, and they didn't really cost me very much at the store. Let's see. We'll make sure you get a good shot. Okay, and then you take that flat end and just kind of push it around. See if you got any other burrs anywhere. And see, that looks good now. Now I can do a little bit in here. It gets it right down. And see, then I can move it back and forth like that. See if there's any more there. Now I can vacuum this up when I get done. How easy that is. I think I got these carpet scissors like at a wholesale carpet house, a warehouse. I just went in there and asked them if I could buy some, and And some places will sell to the regular public. Other places, oh no, you can't do that. You have to have an account here. But lots of places you don't have to have an account. You can just pay with cash or whatever. Let's see if I can't get that little bit in there. Let's come back. Let's come back over here at this door. I didn't even realize there was some over here. I mean, you'll start seeing stuff. You know, you get a pair of carpet scissors, you'll go around and start seeing all kinds of stuff. And lots of times, it'll be around the your door jambs, and maybe if you've got carpet going to a tile floor, let's say, and I've got that over here, and we'll check that out. There's one right there. See? This makes your carpet look nicer too, and it will keep your vacuum from pulling up anything. Let's see where else. I don't think there's much over here, because we had this carpet repaired before, and I made a video of that when the carpet guy was here, so hopefully you can find that on my channel. I had some puckers all in this area, and he pulled this carpet back and he stretched it, and he used his stretcher and his then he cut it, and then he had to chonk it. I don't even know if that's a word. Push it down in there between the carpet and the tile. But lots of times you'll find different little bits of carpet coming up. You know, little carpet strands and stuff, depending on how old your carpet is. Hey, there's a little one right there, and I can get that. There's not much here, like I say, because we've just recently had that done. There's a little piece there. Well, I'm not going to spend much more time on this. I just wanted to quickly show you how to use carpet scissors and where to get them. In fact, I think you might be able to get these at Home Depot and Lowe's or places like that. I'm not quite sure though. See? I think these were less than $15, maybe around $10 or so. And they come in handy for all kinds of stuff. You know what this comes in handy for too? Is if you just bought a pillow, you know, for your bed or your couch or something, you want to cut the tag off. Or cut a tag off of a bath towel that you just bought. You can't get in there close enough with regular scissors. Use this. This thing works really good for that. I've done that quite often. And where would I be without my carpet scissors? I will never know. I don't know if you saw this or not. That I'm not using to cut the carpet or anything. I use the carpet scissors. What is this? This is a pillaring machine. What is that? And what do you use it for? And what is pillaring? Well, you just have to watch another video that I just made and I put on my channel. Look for it. Gadget on that too. Get the little fine hairs off of there, because I can, in the sunlight, I can see all kinds of fine hairs. Well, if you get something like that that's bothering you, use your carpet scissors for it. Get it off. Okay. I think I'm not going to look too hard. I just wanted to show you different areas where you can use your carpet scissors. Okay. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.